Hello, my friends. Today we are going to be doing some screencasts where I am teaching you about several types of electron configurations. And we're going to start with just sort of the plain run-of-the-mill electron configuration, which is called a ground state electron configuration. And what you can see on my screen here is a filling chart. So you're going to have to memorize how to make this filling chart. It's not too hard, and I'll walk you through how to do that also in another video. But we're going to just focus on a plain run-of-the-mill ground state electron configuration, in this case for the element fluorine. Now, important to note that this is just a neutral element, fluorine. So the amount of electrons we're going to place in the electron configuration will be equal to its atomic number, which is 9. Right, so I'm placing 9 electrons. All right. All right, so first we're going to start up here with my 1s, and I'm going to look at, maybe just as a way to remind you guys how many electrons can fill each of these different subshell types. So remember, there's one orbital, in an s, two per orbital, so that's 2 electrons max. Here there's 3 orbitals times 2 is 6 electrons. 5 orbitals times 2 is 10 electrons, and then we don't ever have to deal with these f's, but there's 7 orbitals times 2 is 14. And these numbers are the maximum number of electrons that can fit into those different subshell types before we would have to add another orbital. Okay, so I'm starting up here with my 1s. All right, so I'm going to do a 1 for the n number. S is the first subshell type, and I can put 2 in there, so I'm going to write that 2 as a superscript. All right, then I'm going to go down and up and then back down, and the next one I'm coming to is this 2s, and I can fit 2 in there. And now I'm going to see where I'm at in terms of my count. So I have 2 plus 2 is 4, and I need 9, so I need to keep going. So after 2s, I go down and back up to my 2p. And I can see that my 2p can hold 6 electrons, but how many do I need? I have 2 plus 2 is 4. I need 9, so I only need 5 in here. So even though I can fill a p orbital with 6 total electrons, in an element of fluorine, that means that that final 2p orbital isn't full of electrons. I could actually add another one, and the 6th electron, if I were to add another electron, that element would actually have 10 electrons, and that would be neon, okay? That would be a noble gas. So this is the ground state electron configuration for the element fluorine. So I have 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9 electrons. I'm starting with 2 in the 1s. I'm going to get a little bit bigger, add 2 more in the 2s, and then I'm going to add about the same radius as that 2s is the 2p, and I'm going to put 5 in each of those 3. So I have 2 of them that are full and 1 of them that is missing 1 electron in there. And that's the ground state electron configuration.